Shalom and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make triple threat of goodness that will include turmeric, it's going to include ginger, and it will include hibiscus flower. Okay, so I purchased this from the store, so this is going to kind of be like a little product review though as well. I purchased this from the store for, I believe it was about $5. Okay, so I'm used to actually having hibiscus. I've had it before in numerous of drinks, cocktails as well. So this is it comes in a powder form. I hope I don't make a mess. I just want to open this up and let you see. Okay, see? And this is for my tea. I'm just gonna, because I just want to taste it. I want to taste a little bit of it. Put it here. Take it in my hand. So just tasting it by itself, because I've never tasted it by itself. It has like a tart taste to it. Not real tarty, but it has a tart taste to it, like almost like a cranberry. Yeah, like a cranberry. Okay. So Shalom, and I am back. I sped up the video a little bit just so it wouldn't be so long. But anyway, we're gonna add the turmeric. Recipe calls for a half a teaspoon of all of the spices, but I actually put in a full teaspoon of the spices because I had planned on making a bigger portion. So the health benefits of the turmeric: it is a natural anti-inflammatory, it is a powerful antioxidant, anti-cancer effects, it helps with skin conditions, and it is a wonderful brain food. So if you can incorporate this into any of your regular dishes, please do so. And so now we're going to talk about the ginger. A lot of us continue to do ginger in our foods. It also is an anti-inflammatory. It helps with muscle pain to relieve it. It helps with your stomach to regulate your blood sugar, prevent heart disease, and the risk of diabetes. It reduces cancer risk, and for you ladies, it helps with menstrual pain and cramps. It fights infections, and it too is a brain food, so it helps with the functioning of your brain. So I really love incorporating these spices into different dishes because of all the benefits that they have. Now we are going to talk about the hibiscus flower powder. A lot of times when I first had it was also with mocktails, so they had that all in there, and a lot of times I like the hibiscus tea as well. So with hibiscus, let's see, it has a lot of different benefits as well. So one of them is it's also an antioxidant. It helps with your heart. Lowers your cholesterol. It actually helps with weight loss, you all. So if you have any things with that, it helps to starve your cravings. It also has, you can use it in the cocktails, your mocktails. Helps with digestion, your immune system, and all of that other good stuff. So you're also supposed to add some sweetener to it. So I like agave. I like agave because I don't want it to be too sweet. You can use agave, you can use honey. And if you are a sugar person, I guess you can use sugar if you like. But this is what I chose to use, which is the agave, just to give it a hint of sweetness. And this was just a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a quick stir. Did you see it steaming up a little bit? That tea was the bomb. And guess what? I had to add, boom. Yes, of course I did. You knew it was coming. I had to add me some CBD. So in that bottle, it was 500 milligrams of CBD. I added 3 drops, which gives you 1.67 milligrams per drop. So that was a total of 5 milligrams that I put inside. Triple threat goodness, okay? So you see my little WaKanna mug? Yes. So with that being said, I had to get me a nice little swig of it. And so I approve it. It was all good. Yes. This triple threat of goodness. If you like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.